DYJ TradingView is a multi-indicator rating system, using the world's best charts and analysis tools to spot opportunity in global markets. Use this to follow your favorite assets. You can find more accurate transactions. Our system are intuitive for beginners, yet have everything advanced investors could wish for. Whether you'd like to simply look up the latest stock price, or analyze price patterns with lengthy line cross, we got you covered. Feature use 3 trends: DYJ POWERSIGNAL, TRVW, 3 SMA, ADX indicator. To locate the general market trend, use RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, Alligator and other oscillators as auxiliary entry. Basis trend intensity percentage calculation indicator analysis comprehensive rating analysis. You decide the trade. We make it easy.
Ayday sulu beyni meni bağıraydı, seni görsün